In this video from Device Doctor, we'll show you how to connect the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M479 to your mobile via Wi-Fi and print easily from your phone. Stay with us till the end.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Turn on the printer and wait until it enters Ready mode. Tap on the Settings option at the top of the screen. Tap on the Wi-Fi Direct option. You will see the printer's name and the Wi-Fi password, and you can also print it if needed. Now connect your phone to the printer. Go to the Wi-Fi section on your phone, find the printer's name, and enter the password displayed on the printer's screen. Now your phone is connected to the printer. To print a file, simply go to the printer section on your phone and select this printer. Now, you will see that the printer has printed our files successfully. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified about our latest tips and tutorials. At Device Doctor, we're here to help you make the most of your tech. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and thanks for your support.